this video, I'm going to show you how to find referral code in Bitget in 2024. So this is actually quite easy. First, you will have to log in or sign up for an account inside Bitget, and then once on your home screen down here, so the home page at the very bottom left, you want to go to the very top left and press that menu button, which is made up of a few squares, okay? So press that button, and this will take you to yet another menu. And then in this menu, you want to click referral, which is under quick access. But if you can't see it under quick access, you can simply scroll down and you'll be able to find it under more services, okay? Just click more services, and then under rewards, you'll be able to see referral. Now over here, you can press this, and then it will take you to another page. And then once this page loads up, it usually takes a few seconds, there we go. You want to click down here inside invitation activities where it says invite friends. Now, click on this anywhere on the orange icon, scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see, you'll see your referral history and your rewards history, and below that, you'll be able to see your referral link with your referral code. So what you then want to do after you're logged in, you will see the link. I'm not logged in right now, so as you can see, I cannot see the link. Simply log in or sign up for an account, and you'll be able to see it. Then you can simply copy the code, okay, by pressing down there at the bottom where you can see the copy button, and that's literally it. You'll get your referral code in Bitget and you're ready to go. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.